Hey guys, this is India Trading Academy and my name is Dev. हम लोग यहाँ पे निफ्टी एनालाइज करेंगे वीक के लिए. So this is our dearest Nifty. So what has happened this week? We got this move to the upside. And now what's the scene for this week? इस वीक में यहाँ पर जो ये करेक्शन आया हुआ है, this could be two things. Either this might be a reversal sign, लेकिन we cannot declare that because we don't have enough information right now for that thing. As of now, this is still looking like correction. As you can see, we have not tagged this top. See, so which means there is a condition which I follow in the market, so that is not met, so that means it has a possibility for one more up. So in that case, this could be a correction for one more up. So we are looking for that move this week, whether we get it this week or not. Now this has happened, which means we will be having a little bit some corrective structure over there, because as of now this doesn't look like a reversal for downside, but there could be. As I said earlier, I don't have enough information to declare that as a reversal as of now. So we are still looking Nifty to tag this top, and once Nifty tag that top, we will decide how much for the upside we are gonna go, or we might reverse from there. Let me give you my perspective what we are gonna do exactly this week. You see this trend line over there? As long as we are under that trend line, we are selling the market based on the strategy we have, based on the rules we have. Once we break out from the trend line, now breaking out means we have specific rules for that also. एक कैंडल इसके बाहर इसके अंदर से कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, right? We have specific rules to declare that as a breakout, and once we find that breakout, we would be trading this for upside, at least for this level. So that is our perspective on Nifty. We are selling it as long as it is left side of the trend line, and once it breaks the trend line with the confirmed rules we have, we are gonna shoot for short-term buys and all that. All right, but we are still holding one trade because of the way this looks right now. We have not closed our positional long trade because of the structure we are looking right now. All right, that's India Trading Academy's view on Nifty. And since we are not posting so much, let me tell you what's the result for our trading room. So this is our trading room, and we have given intraday report to our trading room clients, everybody. So we were managed to get around 831 point in February, and we are targeting around 1000 points in March. So let's see if we can get it or not, but this is the report for our trading room clients. Now each and every single trade I share with my trading room clients, they get to see my trading. Since you are already seeing this, let me promote trading room. If you are not interested in learning because of your workload, because of the time availability you have, or maybe you want to hire us for doing all the analysis in the market, if you like to see what we do on a everyday basis, my screen is on from 9 to 3:30 in the afternoon. Live, I share my each and every single trade with my trading room clients. So if you want something like that, you should be not bothering about the complexion of the market, still you want to take advantage of the market, the terms of return it gives, guys, our trading room is for you then. All right, this is not a learning platform, this is just for the people who wants to take advantage of the market, but they don't want to get into the complex structure and complex understanding of the market, because I know it's time consuming. It will take you 2-3 years to learn this. Anybody says you can learn the market 2-3-4 days and you will be making tons of money within 3 to 6 months, just get away from there. And if not, you will learn your lesson laterwards. Anyways, there is already enough work of us doing the trades, doing the live trades. So if you guys have seen our live trades, there are the videos, and if you like concept of the trade which we execute, and if you want to learn the same, there is only one course. We have not designed anything. Like, we strongly believe that if you pay somebody, you're paying them because you want to be a trader. You're not paying them just to get a piece of the market. You're paying them to get entire thing from the market. So if you like the trade which we execute, if you like the concept which we understand from the market, we only have one course and this is it. You can choose to do that either group or in a one-on-one session. All details are available on the website. This is India Trading Academy signing off. Thank you so much.